This is the third take of this, by the way. Um, actually, first and foremost, trail tape. Yeah, it's actually brighter than you would expect on camera in real life. How I cannot describe how this feels. What the material is, I cannot. I really can't. I really can't. Okay, you know. Oh, okay. You know the stuff that they make the pool floaty things out of? That's how I can describe it. Second, safety scissors in it. I already marked it, so I know which side to use. Oh, by the way, OTF style. They do cut, and they do actually feel like actual scissors. Right? These are hard to get back in. Watch it make a lie on me now. Cause you gotta do something like that. Yeah, it makes it hard. Here's how you initially do it. I see OTF style. Yeah. Third, I did order the reusable filters, refillable ones, for the GP5. I saw that they had 3.5 tones, which is what you want, I believe. Now, they were fillable, because you can put, activated charcoal. Here's advice. Crush the charcoal into a fine powder. Well, I can look up the... Oh, no, I can't, because I screenshotted it on this one. But, filter it before you put it... Filter the thing so the dust isn't in there. Make any dust from the charcoal. It's just... it's weird. Yeah, but I ordered 4 of them because, well, right, you know, now what it is charcoal pellets initially. These are super cheap, and I did order them with a prepaid card. Because, yes, AliExpress and all that are seemingly safe, but you can get scammed, and you can have your data stolen, basically, from certain sellers and all that. So yeah, so that should expect it within a month or two, because AliExpress, Temu, etc., they take a while, unless it's a drop shipper. By the way, did you know, I think on Temu, when you see the, think of, when you see Yami, or Yami buys, yeah, they're shipping directly, they're drop shipping from Yami buys, which is a Asian type website, like Japan, China, Korea, etc., for their goods. So yeah, it's probably like 5 o'clock, I guess. I don't know. You know me, it's 5 o'clock. But yeah. So, when or if they arrive, I'll tell you. Anyway, that's Rock Fireball, episode in the Wasteland. God bless and peace of God's force, who could be against us? I'm helping you survive in the Wasteland.